What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I haven't posted in like 3 weeks, I think. So like I'm slipping, but I'm back. Let's get back to being consistent. And today I will be doing a soft glam look. So this look is obviously trending. It's been trending for a minute now. I'm way behind, but I really feel like soft glam, I don't know, I feel like it's been around. We just haven't been doing it or naming it that. Yeah, I feel like we just haven't been naming it that. But yeah, so we're gonna do a little soft glam look today. I'm gonna just talk y'all through it and let's hop on in. All right, so as y'all know, I always start with my brows. I've been using the Fenty Beauty pencil recently and I really like it. Only thing is, it's like a little brush. It's cool, I like it, but I'm so used to spoolies. Like I think I like using a spoolie because a spoolie just like, it gets them brow hairs and it gets them moving the way I really like. But like I said, this brush does its job too, but I definitely always go back in with my spoolie and just brush my hair up. We're back, got the brows done. I haven't brushed them out yet. I really like brushing them out more when I'm done with my full face. So I'm really just gonna keep them like this. So yeah, next I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna prime these eyelids. I just got this NYX skin tone eyeshadow base. Never used it, I'm just not taking the thing off. So I wanna see how it works, if I end up liking it. It's pretty much like concealer. It feels a little thicker though, so probably gonna prime these eyelids real good. Okay. So yeah, I pretty much just did what my concealer would do. So it is thicker though, I like that. So I'm just gonna go in with my setting powder and I'm gonna set my eyelids. Ooh, Jesus. Now let's get to doing some shadow. So the first color I'm gonna go in with is pretty much just a light pink shade. I really wanna do like a nudie pink, just soft glam look. So I'm gonna go in with this light pink shade. And I'm just gonna put that in the outer corner of my eye and drag it in. It's so light, I feel like I have to pack it on. Just for it to show some. So be patient, be patient. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this in the outer corner of my eye. And then start dragging it in. Okay, one thing I can say about this eyeshadow primer, you definitely gotta set it good because your girl eyelids is creasing. That's a no. The next shade I'm gonna go in with is another just light pinky type of shade. It's a little more peach to it. I'm just gonna put that in the same exact spot and just blend that out. And last, y'all, this is literally a simple look. Last, I'm gonna go in with like a champagne type of color. And I'm going to put that right here on my eyelid. Ooh, that was more pigmented than I thought it would be. And I'm going to take my other brush that I was just using with the pink, just to blend that out. All right, so I think I want to darken up my pink a little bit. It's just a little too light for me. So I'm gonna take an even darker pink, and I'm just gonna focus that primarily on the corner of my eyes. And I'm just gonna go back in one more time with my little champagne color and just blend it out a little bit more. So let's get into foundation. I'm gonna go in and prime this skin with my Fenty, of course. Okay, that's how we acting. Cool. With my Fenty that I still need to get another one of, but I've been being so lazy. Yeah, I'm using all this product, y'all. Throw it away. Next, I'm just gonna take my LA Girl. It's pretty much close to my skin tone. And I'm just gonna go through and conceal some of my imperfections, because to me, soft glam is it's light and simple, but at the same time, you want your skin to just look flawless. And baby, my skin has not been really messing with me recently, especially when it's that time of the month. So we're gonna go through and conceal all those spots. And it's probably a lot. My skin has been horrible, y'all. So bad, and it's annoying me. Just gonna blend it out a little bit with a little brush. Forgot about this thing here. I be getting these new dark spots out of nowhere, y'all, I swear. But I had to learn not to mess with my skin. If you got a bump, let it stay there, because sis, you gonna make it worse. All right, next I'm gonna go in with my new favorite foundation, Lancome. This is a matte finish, medium to full coverage, is very buildable. So I'm just gonna take this, and like I said, I'm going for a full coverage look. So we're gonna pack that baby on. I'm going to go in with my beauty blender. Make sure you get your neck. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty concealer, of course. Y'all know I love this concealer. Y'all know I like to drag out my concealer in the corner of my eye. Baby, I'm gonna need to go to happy hour or something, cause I hate when I do my makeup and don't have no plans. Like, gonna have to make some plans. All right, let's go through it and set all of my concealer using my Fenty setting powder. Y'all know I set the concealer on my nose. So I'm gonna put that there and just let that sit. Now, because this is a soft glam look, not a full glam, I'm going to powder contour and pretty much bronze up the face. And get that big old forehead. Cause it needs it, boo. It needs it, but that's okay. Pretty girls got big foreheads. And like I said, I don't know why, I just don't contour my nose. It's big too, and I still don't contour it. I just take my brush and do this. Going to go in with some blush. I'm gonna use my Becca Opal because it's like a nice little champagne color, light, not too much. And this is when I go back and brush out my eyebrows. I just feel like whenever I wait and do it, it just blends into, like, I don't know, I guess my foundation and everything better. That's just me. I could be extra and just be tripping, but see, it just does it. I don't know what it is. I can't do it beforehand. The face gotta be done first. All right, now I'm just gonna go in and get these lashes ready. All right, well, I'm gonna go put my lashes on and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Lashes, mascara all on. I don't do eyeliner. So next, I'm just going to set my face with more setting spray. Okay, as far as lips, I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop lip pencil. This is called like BFF2. This has been my like go-to lip combo lately. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with Layover and ColourPop lipstick. I'm just gonna put that right in the middle. And lastly, I'm gonna go in with their lip gloss and Bestie and put that right in the middle also. Okay. So there we have a final look. Let me stop. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. Hope y'all enjoyed. I like it. I actually like these lashes. I wanted to wear another pair, but I don't know why. I don't know what other lash was. But yeah. So thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, press that bell so you can be notified when I post. Thank y'all for everything and stay tuned for more videos.